مرحبا أهلا وسهلا بكم. Welcome again to our Gateway to Arabic channel with me, Dr. Imran Hamza Alawiye. Today's lesson, we're going to continue learning how to read and write the Arabic script using one of my books, Gateway to Arabic Book 1. And today's letters, let's start with letter Mim. Letter Mim is very straightforward, easy to write, and easy to pronounce. Okay, now the head of the Mim will be on top of the line, above the line. You start clockwise direction. And then the leg of the Mim is coming below the line. Look at me now writing letter Mim for you. Pay attention to my hand movement as well. Okay, here we go. Let's trace letter Mim. Look at the head of that letter is clockwise on the line, and then you drop the leg below the line. One more time. Do the head first, go round, and then drop the leg below the line. Let me write it for you. Look at the hand movement, starting from the head on top of the line, go clockwise, and the legs down. Letter Mim, done. Okay, the next letter after letter Mim is letter Noon. It's also easy, really. Noon, and it's carrying one dot. Letter Noon. Again, let me demonstrate it for you how to formulate this letter Noon. Look at my hand movements. Look at the arrow. Look at the line. And try to copy it for me. Thank you. Come on, let's go. Have a look. Letter Noon. Let's trace is very simple. Go below the line, back up again, and then apply the dot. One more time. Yes, follow the arrow and then apply the dot. Let me write it for you. Here we go. Letter Noon, starting on top of the line and then drop below the line and back up again. Keep going. Stop. Then apply the dot. Letter Noon. Okay. The next letter is yes, relax. Letter and this is how you write your letter in the isolated form. Look at me writing that for you. It's very easy indeed. Here we go. Letter very simple, clockwise like a small O. Here we go. One more time. Letter yes. Let me write it for you. Okay, I'm going to write clockwise. Here we go. Letter Okay, two more letters to go. We have letter Wow. Wow. Yes. Wow. Wow. Again, it's very easy. The head of that letter Wow is above the line, and the rest of it is dropping below the line. Look at me, look at my hand movements as I'm demonstrating for you how to write your letter Wow. Here we go. Letter Wow, it's like a row with a head, really. Here we go, the head is standing and then drop the rest below the line. One more time. Yes. Wow. Yes. Let me write it for you. Letter Wow. Yet start with the head on top of the line and then drop the rest below the line. Wow. Okay. And finally, the last letter of the alphabet is the famous Ya. Letter Ya. It's a bird. Yes, like a bird. And it's carrying two dots below. Letter Ya. Look at me now writing this letter for you. Look at my hand movement. Look at the arrow. Look at the lines as well. Here we go. Letter Ya. Let's trace letter Ya like a bird. Here we are. Go follow the line. Yes. And then 2 dots below. Yes. One more time. You look at the direction. Yes. And then 2 dots. Yeah. I write it for you. Here we are. Yes, it's like a little bit of C, and then go round, drop below the line, and apply the 2 dots. Letter Ya. Well done. Ahsantum. Ahsantum. Well done. You have successfully completed and you've learned the names of all the Arabic alphabets, all 28, 29 of them. Let's now test you on this. Let me write a letter and you tell me the name. Okay, let's start. Easily. Let's start with this shape. What's this letter? That's letter Jim. Jim is carrying 1 dot. Now, this letter Jim has 2 brothers or 2 sisters. There are 3 in the group of the same shape. Can you remember the rest of them? Jim, Ha, and Kha. So, Jim, Ha, and Kha. Okay. What about this letter? Can you remember the name? That is Sin. Sin. Okay, and the second of this? Shin. Shin. Well done. Okay, what about this letter? What's that? Ah, that is the Vel. 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 And there's one before that of the same shape with no dots. What's that? This one is Dal. So Dal and then Val. Okay. After Val, we have Ra. It is one. Ra. What's the one the same as Ra but with 1 dot? Ra and Za. Za. Okay. Let's try a couple more tests for you. Okay. What about this letter? What's that? That is Meme. Meme. Okay. Can you remember the last letter of the alphabet? It's carrying 2 dots below. And it's this letter. What's that? And that is Ya. Here we are. Okay, well done. Yes, you've done very well. So we've completed now the alphabet, 28 of them. Can we recite them? Yes, come on, let's go. Quickly. Together though, together. Don't wait for me. Together. 1, 2, 3. Alif, Ba, Ta, Fa, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Val, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Sod, Bod, To, Zo, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon. Ah. Wow. Yeah. Well done. Ahsantum. Here we are. Easily done. Please practice this for me. And please subscribe before you go. And send the link for me to your friend. Please. Well done. And don't forget that I have a charity that I'm fundraising for. And it's called Helping Hands for Education. There's a link below. And please click and make donation to us. Please. Thank you so much. For some of you who have done so. I'm very grateful. شكرا جزيلا. جزاكم الله خيرا. أحسن الله إليكم وأدخل السرور إلى قلوبكم. مع السلامة. إلى اللقاء في أمان الله.